Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Pet Treater. Now, if you're not familiar, this is a monthly subscription bag for either your cat or your dog. They have three choices available. The $15 bag is, you get 2 treats and 2 toys in that bag. Then the next one is $18, and that one you can choose toys only or treats only. And then they have a $25 box, which is for multiple pets in your home. You do get to set a profile based on the size of your pet and what it is, whether it's a cat or a dog. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for October. When you open the bag, that's what it looks like inside. And there's all kinds of goodies in here. So I'm pulling out the card. Now, the card is a program. It's a pick of the litter program. So if you take a picture of your pet, then if they like it, then you can be pick of the litter for the month. And this month, it's Astakoi, I think. A little German Shepherd. Cute. So that's kind of fun. Now, each bag does come with a bandana. And this month we have Halloween. This did come after Halloween. Usually it comes the last week of the month, but it was delayed for some reason. So we have this cute little bandana. And then we have this little gorilla action. And it has a rope on it. Does it squeak? Yes, it does. And this one is from Doggett Stuffies, with a squeaker. There's that one. So that one's cute. And then we have a rubber tire with some more rope. And let's see, this is from Bomber, Zeus Rope War. Throw it, retrieve it, tug it, it says. Yeah, you can play tug of war. I do have a dog that likes to fetch quite a bit, so he'll probably fetch with this one. And then we have this big old thing. Rio Fly dog toys. Indestructible medium to large dogs. So let's see what it is. Okay, so it looks like our capital. And it's I can see a squeaker on the bottom, but I am not strong enough to get that. But they may like that. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, and there's something else in here. A clip-on safety strobe nightlight. It has 1/2 mile visibility. Batteries are included. Protect and locate your furry friend in the dark. Now, this is by Goldman's. Has a little light there so you can see your pup in the dark. I might put that on my keychain instead. So that's what we got, and it is so worth it. Try and go to PetSmart or Petco and get these for under $18. And it's going to be hard because these toys, they can get kind of expensive. So this is really worth it. My pets really enjoy it. I have remnants of these bags in the backyard. So like every couple months, I'll pick up the worst one and throw that one away. And they're always excited to get a new one. And I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.